Yeah, look at this. Just got hit by a big line of storms. I'm in Palatine, Illinois. It is August 23rd, 7:20 p.m. This is just north of my house.
Hey, dude! Come back!
It's, well, as you can see, it's flooded. All the way down there. See, I'm even stepping through water right here, so that's... Minivan stuck and everything. Houses got flooded. There's still lightning, and I think the storm will be coming back, so we'll see what tomorrow brings, I guess.
Go into my house. Go away. Go play over there. What kind of playing is it right now?
Pretty deep.